Namaste. We will do Bhastrika Pranayam today. Sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg, place the heel, left side of the navel. Fold the left leg, place it on top of the right leg so that both the heels close to each other, both knees on the floor, hands in Dhyana Mudra, thumb and index finger gently touching each other, remaining three fingers straight and looking down, hands on the knees, elbows close to the body, relax all the muscles, relax yourself. Now place left hand on the knees, Chin Mudra, right hand in Pranayama Mudra. Fold first two fingers of right hand, place them at the root of the thumb, remaining two fingers straight, elbow close to the body. Now thumb on the right nostril, ring finger on the left nostril. Now fold the left nostril with ring finger. Through right nostril, inhale deep, exhale completely with force. Do it at least 10 to 15 times. After 10 to 15 times, inhale slowly through right nostril up to the grim, up to the throat. Holding breath inside, apply Tribandha. Those who have asthma, high blood pressure or heart ailments should not hold the breath or apply bandhas. Rest of them can apply. Hold for some time, relax bandhas, exhale through left nostril, completely exhale, holding breath outside, again apply Tribandha. Hold for some time, release and normalize the breath. That is one round. Let us start. Close the left nostril with ring finger. Inhale deep and exhale completely through right nostril. After 10-15 times, start inhaling through right nostril slowly, gently, up to the throat. Holding breath inside, apply Tribandha. First Mol Bandh, pulling up of the perineal muscles. Then Udiyan Bandh, pull the navel deep inside. Then Jalandhar Bandh, lock your throat with chin. Hold for some time. Release bandhas in a sequence. First release Udiyan Bandh, release your navel. Then Jalandhar Bandh, lift your chin up. Then release Mol Bandh, release your perineal muscles. Then start exhaling through left nostril slowly. Completely exhale. Holding breath outside, again apply Tribandha. Release bandhas. Normalize the breath. This is one round. In second round, we will be doing through left nostril. Close the right nostril with thumb. Now inhale deep, exhale completely through left nostril. Same number of times with force. After 10-15 times, now start inhaling through left nostril slowly, gently, up to the throat. Holding breath inside. Again apply Tribal. Molbar, Udianbar, Jalandharbar. Release Bandhas in a sequence. First Udianbar, then Jalandharbar, then Molbar. Start exhaling through right nostril slowly. Completely exhale. Holding the breath outside, again apply Tribal. Release Bandhas. Normalize the breath. This is second round. In third round, we will inhale through right nostril, exhale through left nostril. Same number of times with force. After 10-15 rounds, start inhaling through right nostril slowly, gently, up to the throat. Holding breath inside, apply Triba. Release Bandhas. Exhale through left nostril slowly, completely. Holding breath outside, again apply Triba. Release Bandhas. Normalize the breath. This is third round. In the fourth round, place both the hands on the knees, Chin Mudra. Now inhale through both the nostrils, exhale through both the nostrils with force, same number of times. After 10-15 times, start inhaling through both the nostrils slowly, gently, up to the throat. Holding breath inside, apply Triba. Release Bandhas. Start exhaling slowly, completely. Holding breath outside, again apply Triba. Release Bandhas. Normalize the breath. Now, you will not feel either inhaling or exhaling, which is called Kaivalya Kumbhak. Just experience it. Just focus on the upper lip. See, feel the sensation of your breath. With Bastrika, if you have allergies, this will help a lot. If there is a season change, you will not get catch with cold. Even if you get cold, if you do it in the morning and evening, in a day, it will be normalized. Try to do this every day. Even if you have a sneezing, cough, or cold, this will help a lot. Try to practice daily. Thank you.